Now I have some scrap polymer clay, and I shall make a necklace out of it. I have put this black clay through the pasta machine to create a surface. As you can see here, there is a small bubble, and I will break those bubbles, this one and that one, so that there is no air. Because whenever we work with clay, we want to avoid having air bubbles in the clay. Now let's put the black clay on the surface, and I will first of all add this piece of scrap clay. And now I will remove bit by bit those pieces of clay and add them to the surface of the clay that I've prepared. I will take a bit of this cane that is a leftover, and I will start adding bits of this clay to the surface of the necklace that I want to create. Now let's also add an orifice for the necklace. I'll cut another layer of the cane. Like this. Put it once again through the pasta machine. And now I have created the surface of the necklace. And the next thing that I will do is take the gold flakes and cover the surface with gold flakes to make the surface more shiny. And now that I have covered the surface in gold flakes as well, I will lift the polymer clay pendant and I will put it to bake. I'll put it in the oven to bake. And then I can make the necklace. So this is how you can use the scrap polymer clay to create jewelry items. Now that I have taken the pendant out of the oven, I have also attached the necklace, and this is what the finished pendant looks like using scrap polymer clay, the remaining polymer clay.